Richo, I've got to be very careful who I tell that I'm a nutritionist because they just start asking questions. And that's okay, but I have noticed one thing, that there is a particular one, snacks. Snacks, Rosie, what are good protein-rich snacks? And I'm going to show you one today. Now, you've got this wonderful little milling technique, right, on this blender here. It's a wonderful thing. Now, not all blenders have this, so you want to get a nice quality blender. It's a great investment. That, a non-stick pan and a good knife, and you are away. So about a quarter to half a cup of just nice rolled oats. And I'm going to get you to turn that into flour. Now, people forget. They're like, oh, ran out of flour. If you've got oats or you've got almonds, make your own meal. Like, do it.
There you go, Rosie.
Good. Made your own flour. How satisfying is that? You've made a mess as well. Wonderful stuff. Now, I'm going to get you to just switch from the mill to the blender. Now, blending isn't just for smoothies and juices, OK? You get a really good one, and you can make so much more with that. So starting off, get some of that oat flour in there. And I've got some apple, because these are my apple protein balls, so I'm going to get some nice fibre and natural sweetness from these apples while grating them. Now, whilst I'm doing this, which will take me yonks, I would love you to put 4 tablespoons of my lovely peanut butter with a bit of hemp seeds in there. 4 of those, please. That's perfect.
OK, they're big ones.
There, you have gone big there. And I've got some hemp protein powder there as well. Now, the reason I use hemp so much is it's an easy, complete protein source. So it's a great thing, especially for vegans and vegetarians. It's good to go plants, I think. Go plant-based. You've put a lot in there, so that's fine.
Much?
Yeah,
okay.
That's absolutely fine.
I was concentrating on the protein. That was
I know, I'm still grating, I told you. So I've got a bit of almond meal here as well. Only put half of that one in. Okay. That's wonderful stuff. I've got some honey and some added sweetness.
I'm finding it quite amazing that you're actually grating the apple at the same time as giving me very clear instructions on what to put in here.
Very good, isn't it? I'm wasted here. I could be at NASA or something like that.
NASA, yes. Well, they put you in the spaceship and shoot you off. There we go.
Right, some almonds in there. You can have any nut that you want. And I've got some pitted dates. Get those in, as well as they get a lot of fibre. Now, I think if we're working with apple, we need some cinnamon and some nutmeg.
OK, nice and strong cinnamon in there.
Wonderful stuff. And I have some flaxseed meal there too. Now, that's more to get your omega-3 count in there. So we want that, so some good fats, so we have a nice, clever brain. And I think that's enough apple for us now. So don't worry if you've got a bit of juice in there as well, that's fine, because you don't really need that much liquid, but a little bit helps to just bring everything together.
You could have just dropped the whole apples in there.
I could. Gave me something to do, and it works on my biceps and triceps, so that's a good thing, isn't it?
I thought so, but I didn't want to. You looked so excited and happy just grating the apple, and so I thought I'd leave you to it.
Right, let's get on to absolute turbo mode.
Okay.
Gear 5.
This is really easy, Rosie.
Really easy. Off we go. Right, lid off. Let's have a little look.
Let me just,
so what we'll do is we'll get it onto the deck, and we're just going to simply roll it into little balls. Now, you can make big ones, little ones. I would suggest just nice little ones is a good thing. Okay. Little bite-sized ones to have on hand. Now, you can have it just like that, put it into the fridge and just let it cool, but I actually am going to be a bit indulgent and dip half of it into some chocolate, just like that, and then
oh, wow.
a bit of hemp seed goodness as well. Look at that, they're like little mushrooms or something, aren't they?
Like a little truffle.
There we go, little truffle, exactly.
A protein ball truffle, I like that.
Bit of chocolate, bit of hemp.
And roll that around.
That's the one. So we'll just do a few more of these. We'll put them in the fridge. They only need really about half an hour to make sure that they're nice and firm. And then we can bite in and have a little go. Keep everybody fed for a whole week, little snackaroos.
I tell you what, this isn't the normal way I normally have my protein, Rosie, but this is an interesting way to have it.
Now, this would normally be $4 to $5 a pop, right, for one of these protein balls. That's delicious, isn't it?
You know what? It's nice and sweet, and
it's chewy though too, isn't it?
It's got a bit of chew to it in a good way. It's like a little truffle. I love the chocolate with it as well. I mean, I could have a couple of these on the way to the gym if I ever go to the gym.
You're going to the gym next. That's next on the list after these protein balls. Off we go.
We'll see about that.